Alright guys, what's up? Hope you guys can see me. I got my headgear on. Today I'm gonna walk the beach. I'm gonna show you. This is Leme. I'm gonna say Leme. This is Leme Beach. So we gonna see. Hey guys, let me know below if you like this head piece. I gotta kind of walk with my head down so you can see over there. That's the big rock. I gotta get the name of these rocks right because I'll be forgetting the name. It's a big one over there, and the other big one is over there, but I think that's for Ipanema. So just so you guys know, it's Saturday. It's packed out here. Alright guys, I switched camera angles because I didn't like how it was looking. Like I couldn't see everything. Everything was super high in the sky. But look, like I was saying, over here is the nice rock. If you want to picture, this is Leme Beach. So this is different than Copacabana. This is further up the beach. Like it's kind of where the strip first starts. So if you guys remember, like down further this way is Copacabana. Then over there is like kind of the entrance of the neighborhood. So the neighborhood kind of start over there where that big building is at. All right, let's walk. Enough talking. Guys, it's big out here. It's so hot. You can see today everybody is in the water. Some of those other days nobody was in the water, but today, yes sir. Alright, so I just want to record some of the beats before I put the headset back on. I'm gonna put the headset back on and try to get some better shots. But right now I'm just gonna record like this. Guys, it's like, it's not even like super hot. It's like 78 degrees out there. You would think it was like freaking 85, 90 degrees. Ooh. kicked some sand on her thing by mistake. Man, it's impossible to live in Brazil and not have a tan. I've been playing around out here. I got no sunscreen and nothing. I'm leaving it up to chance. I'm like three shades darker than when I first got here. But no problem. We don't complain. We just keep it going. But yeah, the sun here in Rio is absolutely no joke. Very serious. Man, it's packed. It's packed today. Really, I don't know what else you can want and a place to live. Come on now. You get this every weekend. And the good thing about Rio, unlike Florida, there's no hurricanes. I guess it's, what is it, the Indian Ocean? I guess it's facing the Indian Ocean, so that's probably why.
Então bebe mais, vamos puxar esse lado gostoso, hein?
Trying to go into the dense side. I can barely make it through. No space. Like, you don't want to get sand on nobody's stuff. Oh man. Man, it's hot today.
Yeah, mama.
They told me dudes out here wear Speedos. I seen maybe 2 dudes with Speedos. They told me everybody out here wears Speedos. I was about to buy me a bit. I think this is the most popular spot. It's never like that down here. You guys can see how I'm sweating. It's not even funny. I don't know who told me to come out here with a white beater and his t-shirt. I thought it was a good idea. You gotta be a little careful on the beach stuff. It's like the second time something almost pierced my foot. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it here and walk back. That's the end right there. I kind of want to get a drone shot. So I'm gonna do that now. I'll be back, guys. The Brazilians love their soccer. I'm getting tired just looking at them play. Alright guys, so I think going back, I'm gonna put on the headgear and then we call it a day. I just want to give you guys some solid content that I know that you guys can see, because as you see with the headset, Ai, não tem água, cerveja. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember, this is Leme Beach. It's right up north. It's like 3 miles down from Copacabana where we was at. But look, it's a whole different vibe up here. You see that rock behind me? You get that up and personal. So look, I'm out of here. Remember, it's Troy. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just a dude on YouTube. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.